So the way that the orientation works is that it's broken up into different modules that you see here. And these modules can be taken in any order, but it does have some instructions here, with the first one kind of explaining how the orientation works, and then some online expectations, academic honesty, online learning strategies, exploring your learning management system, which is, for Blackboard, and university support services, and university policies and program information. So it is pretty essential that you log on to Blackboard and you complete some of these modules. That way you have a full understanding as to what TAMIU has to offer, and you're not questioning or wondering if there's more resources that are specific to graduate students. I think oftentimes a lot of things can be lost in the mix. So this is a good way to centralize everything to ensure that you're getting the most out of your college experience.